Cloud Computing Module 5. Cloud computing is the use of hardware and software to deliver a service over a network. With cloud computing, users can access files and use applications from any device that can access the internet. An example for cloud computing provider is Google's Gmail. There are so many real world examples for cloud computing. They are Gmail, Facebook, Amazon Web Service, Slide Rocket, IBM Cloud, Dell's Secure Healthcare Cloud, etc. There are so many real world examples are there in cloud computing. Security overview. Cloud security is the protection of data stored online, that is, the data to be protected from theft, leakage, and deletion of data from the cloud. Methods of providing cloud security involves firewalls, penetration testing, virtual private networks, and avoiding public internet connections. Cloud computing security refers to a broad set of policies, technologies, applications, and controls utilized to protect virtualized IP, data, applications, services, and the associated infrastructure of cloud computing. Challenges in cloud computing. Cloud computing is an emerging technology and has many challenges in various aspects of information handling. The challenges are security and privacy, interoperability, portability, service quality, computing performance, reliability, and availability. First one, security and privacy challenges. These challenges are reduced using security applications, encrypted file system, and data loss software. Without security, how people can trust the data? How can they put the secure data? So, in order to reduce the challenge, we use security applications such as password setting, username, etc., and providing encrypted file system, that is for confidential data, and data loss software. If the data is lost, then we can recover the data using data loss software. Interoperability. The application on one platform should be able to incorporate services from the other platform. This is known as interoperability. It is possible through web services. Next one, portability. The application running on one cloud platform can be moved to new cloud platform and it should operate correctly. Next one, service quality. One agreement is there, SLA, that is Service Level Agreement. Providing security and privacy and some encrypted file system and using some data loss software, they are giving assurance to the people to store data in the cloud. Next one, computing performance. In cloud computing, low bandwidth does not meet the desired computing performance. Finally, reliability and availability. Most of the business are depend on service provided by the third party. Hence, it is mandatory for the cloud to be reliable. Security as a Service, SaaS. Security as a Service is a cloud computing model that delivers managed security services over the internet. And the advantages of using security as a service is that we can work with the latest and the most updated security tools that are available. and we get the best security people working for us, and the fast provisioning, save on cost, disaster recovery and business continuity, continuous monitoring, data loss prevention, email security, encryption, network security, vulnerability scanning, and web security. Evolution of cloud services. See the figure. First one is managed service provider, MSP, infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, software as a service, SaaS. These are the evolution of cloud services. Next topic is security governance. A security steering committee should be developed whose objective is to focus on providing guidance about the security initiatives and alignment with the business and IT strategies. The lack of proper governance and management of duties can also result in potential security risk. Risk management. Risk management is one of the cloud computing environment that controls which aims to assess and manage risk related to cloud computing and to prevent those risks. There are several benefits of cloud and also risk. Some of the benefits of cloud is scalability, reliability and availability, and it is cost saving, and web and mobile access can be done at anywhere. And the risk of cloud is data security issues, reduced operational governance control, storage location of sensitive data. Next heading is security monitoring. Without security monitoring capabilities, a company may be unable to detect and prevent security threats. Security architecture design. A security architecture document should be developed that defines security and privacy principles to meet business objectives. For a security architecture design, the necessary security processes are: first one, authentication, authorization, availability, confidentiality, integrity, accountability, and privacy. Data security. The ultimate challenge in cloud computing is data level security. For example, with the data level security, the enterprise can specify that the data is not allowed to go outside of the United States, and we can choose the boundary that our data will not go beyond that. Next heading is application security. The security team should provide the security requirements for the product development engineers to implement. Fragmented and undefined collaboration on application security can result in lower quality design, coding effort, and testing results. Next heading, virtual machine security. Virtual machines are an isolated environment from the physical operating system. So you can run potentially dangerous stuff such as malware without fear of compromising your main OS. There are certain tips to provide secure virtual machine environment. First one, install only what you need on the host machine. Isolate each virtual machine you have by installing a firewall. Ensure that antivirus programs are installed on the virtual machine and kept current with the updates. Utilize strong encryption between the host and virtual machines. Prevent unauthorized access by securing accounts on the host machine. Only use what you need. If you are not utilizing a virtual machine, shut it down. If a virtual machine does not need to connect with each other, isolate it. Ensure that any hardware you use is designed for virtual machine usage. Avoid sharing IP addresses. Virtual environments are becoming more popular, providing advantages such as enabling multiple OS environments to coexist and providing disaster recovery solutions. So, these are the topics related to Module 5 in cloud computing. Thank you.